Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today guys, I want to share with you guys the top 3 must-have apps for editing your photography work on your Android smartphone. So if you're like me, you take a ton of pictures of course with your Android smartphone, and then of course you want to upload them to Instagram or you want to upload them anywhere else. These are the 3 must-have photo editing apps that I highly recommend you guys go check out and have installed on your smartphone. So let's begin. So the first app is called Lightroom. So Lightroom is a fantastic app that, of course, is very powerful. It's by Adobe, and it allows you to really customize your photos a lot and to really detail information and everything like that. So I highly recommend it, of course, that you check it out. I just like using Lightroom just because I do a lot of product photography work as well. And so I just use Lightroom, of course, just to edit the product photography and to make it a little bit much more cooler and better. And it's just a great way just to improve the photo a lot by using Lightroom. And so yeah, it's just a fantastic app that I highly recommend you guys go check out if you guys haven't. And yeah, it can really improve the photo a lot in a lot of detailed information, of course. And you can really get into the nitty parts of the photo and just really edit, of course, a ton the photo to really make it stand out as well. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys go check out Lightroom for Android because it is an amazing photo app to edit your photos and really step up that photo work as well. Next, we have RetroCam. So RetroCam, it has been one of my favorite apps now to really make your photos look really retro. So just by the name of it, of course, you already know this app is supposed to make your photos look like a little bit much more cool, like old style look, like when they used to use film on their cameras. And so that's what retro does. So we'll take an image like this, and of course, you got a ton of themes that you get to do for free. And then, of course, there are some paid versions of the app as well. But you could choose like here. You could just choose any theme you want. I'm a big fan of this one, the AB one. But also the A6 is one of my favorite ones. I just like the flares and all that look to it. And then when I'm happy about it, I save it, of course, and then I change the overlight if I'm not happy with the overlight. And the overlight is usually, of course, that light that you see changing. But I'm a fan of the first one, so we're gonna just go back to that one. And then, of course, textures. So textures, of course, allows you to add much more grain to your photography. So you could change it here. You can add more grain to it and just go crazy as much grain as you want as well. So we're gonna keep it like that, keep it that like rusty old look style look that I'm really fan of. So we're gonna keep it there. And of course filters. So if you want filters, you can add filters to your photo here. I'm not gonna add any filters. I like it like that. And of course the date, you can add a date stamp to it, of course. So you can change the style on the bottom left corner, or you can change the position as well, bottom right corner now, and just have fun with it. And yeah, so we're not gonna add any date stamps on it. And then of course adjust. So if you want to just fix the photo a little bit much more better before publishing it, you can. You could do contrast, of course. You could change it here. Vibrance, I'm a huge fan of vibrance, so we're gonna change it a little bit, much more color there, make it pop the color. Because saturation, not too much saturation. We're gonna go a little bit backwards now. There we go, just like that. And that's pretty much it. So I'm happy with this photo, and then just save it, and then there you go. It's saved now, and you could now share it. So not now. And so yeah, it's just a fantastic app that I highly recommend. Of course, if you're looking for a cool app that uh, you want to really step up your look to it, then I highly recommend you check out RetroCam if you're looking for that old school style for your photo work. Next and not least, we have VSCO. So VSCO is a very popular photo app that you probably heard about. VSCO on Android, I just like it because it just has a lot much more options, of course. And yeah, it's just a fantastic app that I highly recommend you guys go check out. It could really step up your image game on it. So it's just a fantastic app. It has a ton of presets here that I like to choose from, which I'm a big fan of here. And yeah, it's just a lot you could choose here. So I'm a big fan of this one, the C1, but also the C2, but C1 just because of the darker look, moody look I'm going for in this photo. And then we're going to change it up here with the exposure a little bit much more bright. We're going to give it. And then we're going to change the contrast to give it that little, much more, oops, there we go, to give it that pop. Nope, there we go. That little like kind of mood feeling because it was raining that day. And then of course you could change the adjust here if you want to crop it a little bit much more, sharpen it, which I usually do like to see. There we go, clarity of course. We're going to change that if you want to look into detail, have that crazy clarity look. But I'm just going to leave it like that for now. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a fantastic app. Of course, VSCO is known for its filters type, of course. There's a ton that you can choose from here in the free version, of course, that I highly recommend you guys go check out because it could really make a difference in your image game when you're editing the photo before you upload it to the gram. So that's pretty much it for this. There we go. And then I'm happy with it. You can save it, of course, and then it's saved, and there we go. It's now saved in the image gallery, and now you have your image ready to publish on your portfolio or to the gram. So that's pretty much it for the top 3 must-have photography photo editing apps for Android that I highly recommend you guys go check out right now. As always, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel because that does help. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.